Seashells are little homes for sea animals. Every shell you find on the beach was once a home for a tiny creature. Seashells are not just pretty, they are special hiding places for ocean animals. Have you ever picked up a seashell? Maybe you listened to it or felt how smooth it is. Let's see what lives inside seashells. Seashells come in many shapes and colors. Some are twisty, some are flat, and some look like tiny hats. A seashell is hard and shiny. The animal inside makes it from the water. It grows bigger as the animal grows. The shell is a safe home. It keeps the animal safe from danger. Meet the sea snail. Sea snails make their own shells. They move slowly and always carry their shell. The snail is soft and squishy. Its shell is like a backpack in a house. The snail takes its shell everywhere. It can hide inside when it feels scared. The hard shell keeps the snail safe from big waves, hot sun, and hungry animals. Now, let's meet the hermit crab. Hermit crabs use seashells as their homes too. Hermit crabs do not make their own shells. They look for empty shells on the beach. When they find a shell that fits, they move in and live there. If a hermit crab grows, it finds a bigger shell. Sometimes they line up to swap shells. Shells keep sea animals safe. They are like strong shields. The shell protects from waves, sun, and other animals. It is like a magic shield. Some shells are very strong. They can last a long time, even after the animal is gone. Oysters live in shells too. Oysters can make something special inside their shells. Oysters can make pearls. Pearls are round and shiny like tiny treasures. Pearls grow inside the shell. People think pearls are very beautiful. So what's inside a seashell? It can be a snail, a hermit crab, an oyster, or even a pearl. Every shell has its own story. Each one is a tiny, magical home. Seashells are magical and full of surprises. Next time you find one, imagine the little animal that lived inside. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun nature facts. Keep exploring and have fun.